this video for. How to replace words in story. Click Home on top. Then click Replace. Right on Find What box to change word. Then write Replace with box to replace word. Then click Replace All. Click OK. Finally click Close. Now I change it. Sam as Leo. Now I change Alex as Anani. This way to replace word. Okay, see another best video.